Okay, today we'll start simultaneous linear equation. Now previously in class 8 you have done linear equation, right? And in that linear equation we used to find the value of only one variable. Say for example find x. But here this is known as simultaneous linear equation because we are solving two equations at a time and we are getting the value of two variables, say x and y. Now for this we have generally three methods. The first one is substitution method, then you have elimination method, and then you have cross multiplication method. And the most common method and simple method is elimination method, but we should know all the method. So we are starting with substitution method. Now you can see here that we have two equations. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and the next is this. What we will do, either from equation 1 or from equation 2, I will just find out the value of x in terms of y or the value of y in terms of x. So anything you can do, either from 1 or from 2. That means what? Say for example, I am taking equation 2, that 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Now from here I will get the value of x or I will get the value of y. Now let us find the value of x from here. So that means we get 2x equals to, this becomes 4y minus 24, and then we get x equals to 4y minus 24 by 2, right? Now since we have got this x equals to this, from equation 2 we'll put the value of x in equation 1. Now if you get the value, if you get the value of x or y from equation 1, you should substitute the value in equation 2, okay, other equation. So now I can say that putting x equals to 4y minus 24 by 2 in equation 1, I get what? 2x, not equation 1 in fact, yes, equation 1, 2x means 2 into 4y minus 24 by 2 plus 3y is equal to 11. Now we'll simplify this. We got a linear equation in terms of y and we'll get the value of y from here simply. So here you can see 2y got cancelled. We got what? 4y minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. We get 7y will get is equal to 35 and y is equal to 5. And now after getting y is equal to 5, I can simply put the value of y in this, right? We'll get the value of x. So now I can say, therefore we know that x equals to 4y minus 24 by 2, and therefore I say it is 4 into 5 minus 24 by 2. So I get minus, in fact 20 minus 24 by 2 minus 4 by 2, and finally the answer is 2, and therefore I can say that x equals to minus 2 and y is equal to 5, and that is the, okay, understand?